Within the past 3 months, a whole lot of work has gotten done to the 66. Here's what I mean. First of all, to start off with, after we got the 66 into the shop, we began to sand on the lip above the windshield, and I also began to clean up the cowl. Before I started cleaning up the cowl, we took the driver's side door off of the truck and took off the driver's side door off of the 66 in the backyard. After this, we took both doors and swapped them out. After doing this, we finally began to start the procedure with priming around the cab. First off, we started off with priming the top of the cab white. After priming the top of the cab white, my grandpa began to prime the actual cab. As you can see in these photos, we finally began to prime the cab gray. After this first coat of primer dried, we began to continue to primer the cab, but instead with an actual black primer. After doing the cab, we began to work on the interior. We took out the bench seat and began to clean up inside the cab. Finally, we began to work around the front. We painted the engine bay, I sanded the grille, we painted the grille, we put the grille back in, and while the grille was out, we also painted behind the grille. After a while, we picked out one of the greatest tailgates we had left laying around, and I began to sand it. Only took me 30 minutes to get the surface rust off, and right after that, we got it painted, and we somewhat have the letters painted on, but we are thinking about switching it, painting over it, and taking some sticker letters instead. After this, we finally decided it was time to prime the door, and then we got it put back onto the truck. I do not have any photos for these, but recently we have fixed the rockers somewhat. We have got a brand new cab corner put onto the passenger side, and here is the most recent update I have of the truck. We officially now have both headlights in their sockets, and they both now work. We have the front bumper attached on, and we also have a brand new gas cap. Now we actually officially have a gas tank in the truck that is now hooked up and everything. And we are planning on repainting the grille and putting some Chevrolet stickers on it instead of attempting to paint it. 1966 Chevrolet truck update. Sorry if y'all cannot hear me well. The air compressor is currently running. But a lot has changed since last time, as you can clearly see. First of all, for starters, we have gotten the cab painted, well, with prime at least. We have the roof right here. Here's the side. The bed is off. Right here's the hood. We're currently working on getting the hood painted. We have gotten the cowl painted as well. And here, we've gotten around the engine all painted. And here, the most noticeable part is the grille. I have gotten the grille cleaned up. We also now have both front headlights working, and we still need to touch up the letters. And here's the front bumper. I talked about it last time, never got to show it, but here it is. And it's not currently attached, it's just there for show right now. We have these parts painted, well, primed. Still got to prime them a few more times, sand them down, paint them. Here's the fender. I'm currently working on one of the wheels. Well, actually I just finished it. These are parts that go right here for wiring. I just cleaned those up. I also got the parking light doors cleaned up just now. And on the interior, we've gotten a whole lot done on the interior. I cannot open it right now due to the paper, but we have gotten the entire interior almost completely painted. We got the seat taken out, and we fixed our steering column, and also replaced a oil pressure gauge line. So that's done. We have also now, we have a actually good gas cap. We have also gotten the gas tank installed in here. So now it is no longer running off of a frickin' boat fuel tank. We now have it actually running off of a 66 fuel tank. You cannot tell, but we have gotten a brand new cab corner put on right here. It has been sanded down and primed. And the rockers. So, I actually found out that the rockers are in terrible condition. So, I was basically sanding them, and the rockers completely collapsed on the bottom. They just deteriorated, and so we have not replaced the rockers, but we've gotten a solution. This rocker is done. We now just need to do this rocker, because as you can see, still very rusty, hole right there. But sorry I have not been posting, but this is a great update in which has happened from last time. The bed is currently being worked on. That thing is hell to work on, but it's being done. The new hood will be put on soon. We have also gotten the tailgate. I know I keep on saying this, but this right here is actually the most latest update I have on it. We have gotten the bed sanded down a lot, and the bed is pretty much now completely primed. We have also installed the brand new front panel onto the bed, and also we have some wood in the bed ready to be bolted in and all designed and all that. And we also have now officially gotten the hood primed. We have gotten a whole lot done to this truck within the past 3 months, and hopefully we will continue to get it done and hopefully finish by August or October. Hope you all enjoyed, and I guess next will be actually framework and maybe even some official paint on the cab. Who knows? Till next time, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos. Stay tuned for my 66.